I'm about to do my first engine start and heat cycling on this bike after the rebuild that I had to do because of the transmission problems and the sleeve exchange on the cylinders. And it was not a problem-free process. One of the issues I ran into is once I had the new sleeves put in and they decked the cylinders, I had the pistons making contact with the head, so I had to correct that with multi-layer steel head gasket and then a thicker base gasket to give me my clearances that I needed. And then once I got that, one of the other issues I ran into was some stripped out bolts on my cam caps, and they were already thread repaired, so those failed. So then I had to move on to time certs, which took care of it. I mean, it's pretty solid right now, but I cleaned everything up as I went back in there, and it looks pretty good and clean. And hopefully this startup goes well and is uneventful. All right, I'll show you how the startup goes.